Thanks a lot, Pim. Yes, most stocks retreating on the day after Monday's huge rally. And in fact, Christopher Sullivan, he helps oversee $1.4 billion as chief investment officer at United Nations Federal Credit Union, saying to get further rallies from here, he says, we're just really going to have to see a continuation of gradual improvements with respect to growth, business activity. And he says, hopefully, a continuing slowdown in the pace of layoffs. So it was a mixed day for many of the markets, especially the financials. You had American Express saying that worldwide spending climbed in October as the rising stock market gave consumers a lot of confidence. That was on one end of the spectrum, up 1.6%. But then you had other stocks like a Visa lower, also MBIA tumbling 27% after posting a $727 million loss on insured credit derivatives. MBIA had its steepest loss since April of 2008. Banks, however, among some of the worst performers in the S&P on the day. You saw Zion, SunTrust, Regions Financial, and Commercia all lower. You did see a little bit, some pockets of strength in some of the healthcare and equipment stocks like Baxter International, closing at its highest price since October 13th. This is the maker of treatments for blood disorders, raising its quarterly dividend by 12% to 29 cents a share. And moving over to some earnings, it was kind of a mixed day for some of the earnings. We had some good earnings and not so good earnings. Fluor Corporation, certainly one of the more disappointing earnings along with Electronic Arts, but Priceline.com booking a profit in the third quarter. The online travel agency reporting sales and income that topped analyst estimates. Consumers looks like are booking more discounted trips to save on money, while the company picked up market share in the hotel room reservations. And taking a look at some of the transports, FedEx getting a lift after projecting that they will handle about 8% more shipments before the Christmas holiday amid positive signs for the economy. They expect things will get really cooking. They say their busiest day this year will be on December 14th. We'll have to wait and see. Back to you, Pim.